This device fits 2018 to 2021 Subaru XV or Crosstrek vehicles. If you encounter any issues during installation or usage, please send your order number to Binize carstereo@gmail.com. We will provide technical support promptly to ensure your full satisfaction. This is the instruction manual. These are the screwdriver and pry tool included in the package. This is the GPS signal antenna. This RCA connector is for the rear view camera video input. These two short cables are Wi-Fi and Bluetooth signal wires. This is the 20-pin multi-function wiring harness. This is the microphone. Important: you must connect this microphone, otherwise the microphone function will not work. These two are USB wiring harnesses. This is the fan power cord. Connect it to the matching plug on the 20-pin harness. Now connect the power supply cables. This is the 16-pin plug. This is the power plug for the canvas box. If you use the factory original rear view camera, link this RCA connector to the RCA port on the 10-pin harness. Wrap all exposed metal parts with electrical insulation tape. Double-check that this plug is fully and securely attached. Connect this plug to the matching factory vehicle plug. The yellow wire is the constant power supply wire. The red wire is the account ignition wire. The black wire is the ground wire. The other four wires are positive and negative terminals for the front left and front right speakers. This port corresponds to the positive and negative terminals of the two rear speakers. Connect this plug to the matching factory vehicle plug. This is the radio antenna. Plug this connector into this port. If you need to use the AUX audio function, take these two RCA connectors and connect them to AUXR in and AUXL in on the 20-pin harness respectively. Wrap all exposed metal parts with electrical insulation tape. If abnormal static noise occurs during use, unplug either one of these two RCA connectors and connect it to the green RCA port on the 20-pin harness. If you install the rear view camera supplied with our unit, disconnect the rear view RCA cable you connected earlier. Connect the red plug of the camera to its matching black plug. Connect the yellow plug of the camera to this yellow port. Join the two red wires together. Then connect these combined red wires to the positive terminal of the reverse light. Attach the black wire to the negative terminal. Warning: be sure to connect to the reverse light positive terminal. Do not connect it to the brake light by mistake. Take the other yellow port on the 5-meter video cable and connect it to the rear view camera plug on the 10-pin harness. The rear view camera wiring setup is now complete. If the screen does not switch to rear view footage when shifting into reverse gear, connect this trigger wire to the reverse control wire on the 16-pin harness. If steering wheel control buttons malfunction or the reverse image fails to switch automatically, go to Settings and select the correct vehicle protocol. Set the rear view video mode to auto.